The Makurdi Lafia Federal Highway completely sealed following early Tuesday's attack on the Abagena host community by the suspected herders. Abagena is the host community of one of the largest internally displaced persons camps in the state. Although the assailants did not directly attack the camp, an attack on its host is too close for comfort.
We want you to allow us to use AK-47 the same way the Fulanis are using. Yes. Yesterday we saw them with our eyes. They were speaking Fulanis, not armed bandits. It was Fulanis, we saw them. They came and attacked this village. They killed more than 20 people. Their aim was to attack the IDP camp. But because of the neighboring villages, they killed and some people with injured others. Some are at the hospital right now. Mr. President, if you know you are in power, if you know you're the president of this country, we voted for you, and you must rise and do something.
State Governor Samuel Ortom was at the scene to appeal to the aggrieved parties to unblock the highway while he retrieves corpses to the mortuary.
This is really unfortunate. It means we don't have a government in place at the federal level. We don't have a government. This is very sad, because if proactive steps were taken by arresting Mayoral leadership, this will not happen. For several years, we have been calling on federal government to take proactive steps to address this matter. They have refused to do. You can imagine, this is Abagena IDP camp. The adjoining villages here, with the real camp and the adjoining villages, are occupied by IDPs. And what else do you want them to do? You send these people away from their villages. They came here to take refuge.
It is better for me not to be alive to see this kind of shame of leadership. What is going on? Nigerians, my colleagues, governors, we must arise and impress on the president to call a security summit.
Ortom is exceptionally worried that in the last 2 weeks, such attacks have steadily increased unchecked.